While I'm crocheting, I have a fascinating story to share with you about some of the world's most mysterious places. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's uncover the secrets hidden in some of the most incredible locations on Earth. The world's most mysterious places. Throughout history, people have explored mountains, oceans, deserts, forests, and ancient ruins in search of answers. Yet despite all our technology and scientific knowledge, there are still places that refuse to reveal all of their secrets. Some are connected to strange disappearances. Others contain ancient structures no one fully understands. Some produce unusual sounds, mysterious lights, or natural phenomena that seem almost impossible. Today, we'll journey across the globe to explore these fascinating mysteries. Chapter 1. The Bermuda Triangle. One of the world's most famous mysteries lies in the Atlantic Ocean. The Bermuda Triangle stretches between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, stories have claimed that ships and airplanes disappeared without explanation while passing through this region. One of the most famous cases occurred in 1945, when Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy aircraft, vanished during a training mission. Rescue planes sent to find them also disappeared. Some people believe the triangle is home to supernatural forces. Others blame underwater methane gas, powerful ocean currents, sudden storms, or navigation errors. Scientists point out that the area is heavily traveled, meaning accidents naturally occur more, often simply because so many vessels pass through it. Even so, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's greatest mysteries. Chapter 2. The Door to Hell. Deep inside the Karakum Desert of Turkmenistan burns a giant crater that has been on fire for decades. Known as the Door to Hell, this massive pit glows day and night. The story began in 1971, when Soviet geologists accidentally drilled into an underground natural gas pocket. The ground collapsed beneath them. To prevent poisonous gas from spreading, they ignited the crater, expecting the fire to burn out within weeks. Instead, it has continued burning for more than 50 years. Visitors describe the site as both beautiful and terrifying. At night, flames dance across the crater, making it look like something from another world. Chapter 3. The Nazca Lines. In the deserts of Peru lie enormous drawings carved into the ground over 2,000 years ago. Known as the Nazca Lines, these giant images include birds, monkeys, spiders, whales, and hundreds of geometric patterns. The strange thing is that they can only be fully appreciated from the sky. How did ancient people create such massive designs without modern aircraft? Many researchers believe the lines had religious or ceremonial purposes. Others suggest they marked water sources. More imaginative theories even claim they were landing sites for visitors from other worlds. No one knows for certain. Chapter 6. Easter Island. Far out in the Pacific Ocean stands one of history's greatest archaeological mysteries. Hundreds of enormous stone heads, called moai, watch silently across the island. Some weigh over 80 tons. Even more surprising, Many of these famous heads actually have full bodies buried underground. The biggest mystery is how ancient islanders moved these giant statues across difficult terrain without cranes or heavy machinery. Researchers believe they may have walked the statues using ropes. Experiments have shown this method could actually work. Still, many questions remain unanswered. Chapter 5. The Stone Spheres of Costa Rica. Hidden throughout Costa Rica are nearly perfect stone spheres. Some are only a few inches wide. Others measure more than 2 meters across and weigh several tons. Who created them? How were they shaped so perfectly? Why were they placed where they are? No written records survive to explain their purpose. Even today, archaeologists continue searching for answers. Chapter 6. The Devil's Kettle. In Minnesota lies a waterfall unlike any other. Part of the river flows normally. The other half disappears into a giant hole known as the Devil's Kettle. For many years, no one knew where the missing water went. People threw logs, dye, ping pong balls, and tracking devices into the hole. Nothing ever appeared downstream. Finally, modern studies showed that the water eventually rejoins the river through underground passages. Even though scientists solved much of the mystery, the unusual waterfall still fascinates visitors. Chapter 7. Blood Falls, Antarctica. Imagine seeing a waterfall that looks like flowing blood. That's exactly what explorers found in Antarctica. For years, people believed algae caused the color. When exposed to oxygen, the iron rusts, turning the water deep red. It looks frightening, but it's actually an incredible natural process. Chapter 8. The Richat Structure. In the Sahara Desert lies an enormous circular formation, so large, astronauts can easily see it from space. Called the Eye of the Sahara, it measures about 40 kilometers across. Some believe it inspired legends of the lost city of Atlantis. Geologists say it formed naturally through erosion over millions of years. Yet its nearly perfect circular appearance continues to amaze everyone who sees it. Chapter 9. The Sailing Stones. Death Valley is one of the hottest places on Earth. Scattered across its dry lakebed are rocks that appear to move by themselves. Behind each stone stretches a long trail. For decades, no one witnessed the movement. Some blamed ghosts. Others suggested magnetic forces or aliens. Eventually, cameras captured the truth. During rare winter conditions, thin sheets of ice and gentle winds slowly pushed the rocks across the muddy surface. The mystery was solved, but the sight remains extraordinary. Chapter 6. Socotra Island. Often called the most alien-looking place on Earth, Socotra Island is home to plants found nowhere else. Its famous dragon blood trees resemble giant umbrellas. Some scientists estimate that over 1/3 of its plant species exist nowhere else on the planet. Walking through Socotra feels like visiting another world. Chapter 11. The Cave of Crystals. Beneath Mexico lies a cave filled with giant crystals. Some measure over 11 meters long. The cave reaches temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius with nearly 100% humidity. Without protective equipment, humans can survive inside for only a short time. These crystals formed over hundreds of thousands of years under incredibly stable conditions. Chapter Shar. Lake Natron. Located in Tanzania, Lake Natron has bright red water and extremely high alkalinity. Animals that die in the lake often become naturally preserved by mineral deposits. Photographs of these preserved animals have inspired stories of creatures turned to stone. Despite its harsh environment, flamingos thrive here, making it one of their most important breeding grounds. Conclusion. Our planet is filled with places that challenge our understanding of nature, history, and human civilization. Some mysteries have been solved through science. Others remain unanswered. Perhaps that's what makes these places so fascinating. They remind us that no matter how much humanity has learned, the Earth still holds countless secrets waiting to be discovered. Thank you for spending this time with me while I crocheted and shared these incredible stories. If you enjoyed this documentary, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for another relaxing crochet session, paired with another fascinating journey into the world's greatest mysteries. Until next time, keep wondering, keep exploring, and never stop being curious.